Ow! Welcome to the channel. In a previous video, I took this Left 4 Dead parts Mustang, and after swapping out shifters, was able to get it fully running again. The next step was to determine what direction I will be going with this car. I'm already in the process of reviving another pink Mustang, so what can I do differently with this one? If you watched the ML Toys rubber tire unboxing video, you would have noticed the parts car Mustang at the end looking a little bare. Turns out I do have a direction and plan that will unfold in an upcoming build series. For this video, we will start disassembling this Power Wheels Mustang parts car. The reason for this teardown creates a blank canvas for the upcoming build. What initially inspired me to bring home Power Wheels in the first place was all of the Power Wheels drag racing events happening around the country. In most events, there would be 3 or more classes that include stock, modified, and outlaw. Rules may vary in each class depending on the event, but are similar for the most part. In a new build series over the next couple of months, I will be using this blank canvas of a Power Wheels Mustang to become an Outlaw class drag car. Be sure to like and subscribe for the next Outlaw Mustang video and the continuation of the Eleanor Power Wheels Mustang revival. Until then, fix it, charge it, send it.